Now, when it comes to the price of cryptocurrency, there is a lot currently affecting the market, ranging from anywhere, from individual companies all the way up to the Federal Reserve of the United States. And I want to discuss some of these in the latest crypto news because it's really not good. I mean, there's no other way to put it. Everything is pounding down on the cryptocurrency market right now, and it needs to be addressed. We need to understand why prices are going lower because here's what happens. If you only see the sea of blood red every single day, whether you're looking at the stock market or you're looking at the cryptocurrency market, if you only see red but you don't know why, you're going to convince yourself that you're only ever going to see red, that it's only ever going to go down. But if you begin to understand why, and you know that these issues or these problems or these current periods of time will come to an end, and you'll see that growth, you'll see that green again, it can inspire you to actually make some money in the cryptocurrency market when you're here when the gains return. So let's discuss the latest crypto news, and of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges, where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, whatever you want to do on there, send it off to your cold storage DeFi wallets. You've got KuCoin and Binance. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. Make sure to check those out, but please just be careful on any centralized exchange right now. Only hold what you are willing to loan out because they are loans if you're holding on those centralized exchanges. DeFi cold storage, they are your crypto, but you know what? We'll get to that article in a second here. We've got 3 things that are majorly affecting the price of cryptocurrencies right now, and I've talked recently about the Federal Reserve meeting, so we're just briefly going to touch on that and then jump into the other 2. Federal Reserve stating, Jerome Powell stating they increased interest rates by 50 basis points. The market was expecting 25 basis points and therefore pulling back down. Even though consensus was at 50, the market had some better expectations than that. So that lowering prices a little bit over the last 24 hours or so. And the fact that Jerome Powell said we are going to be entering a significant period of steady growth or slow growth, indicating that we may not and probably won't see a V-shaped recovery and a massive bull market rally occurring anytime soon. More of slow, steady growth is what we should expect as they try their best to get the inflation rate back down to 2%, as they try their best to slow the interest rate hike that is currently going on, and hopefully cap interest rates here pretty soon. So that's a lot to look forward to with the Federal Reserve finally slowing interest rate hikes. But let's jump over to Binance really quick. Binance being the largest exchange by volume in the entire cryptocurrency space. News recently that over $3 billion being withdrawn from the Binance platform in roughly a 24-hour period is massive. Now, it indicates one of 2 things, right? It's simply, let's look at the facts. $3 billion withdrawn off Binance in a 24-hour period. What does that show? It simply shows that $3 billion was withdrawn off of Binance. Binance was able to handle those withdrawals. Binance was able to complete those withdrawals. And Binance did not go under because of those withdrawals. They did have to halt withdrawals for a minute so that they can move some coins around and get the USDC that was required to withdraw off of the platform, but they did so seemingly with ease. Now, this is affecting the cryptocurrency space and is crypto news because people look at this as an example of what is going on. They're saying that Binance could get hit the same way that FTX did. If Binance really doesn't have one-for-one crypto reserves, they're going to be in a lot of trouble. The numbers show you the $3 billion in withdrawals compared to the roughly $80 billion that Binance claims to have. $3 billion isn't going to cut it yet. They would have to be missing a lot of money in order to get into some trouble with $3 billion worth of withdrawals. So if those withdrawals continue to spiral out of control, we could get some trouble with Binance there, but nonetheless, it will be less transactional volume and less transactional revenue for Binance, which is going to lead to some, revenue problems, which if they're over leveraged on their own debt, if they've got short-term liabilities that they need to be making these transactions on, it could lead to a vast array of things that would be bad for business, but not necessarily bad for the entire cryptocurrency space or for the fact that they are doing anything illegal, right? Withdrawals simply mean that the people are nervous about the cryptocurrency space right now. They are no longer willing to hold these cryptocurrencies, and they are taking their money out. That's what happens, guys. These people who are unwilling to live through a bear market, they're not going to experience the gains of the bull market. Yeah, sure, they may not experience any more losses, but they are certainly not going to be here when the bull market rally begins. They are currently giving up. So that's what's hitting Binance right now, but I found this article very interesting. Microsoft, Google, and Amazon, those big tech players out there, who you would think would be on the side of cryptocurrency, encouraging this digital world, these digital assets. But man, big tech seemingly doing everything that they can from prohibiting Bitcoin and Ethereum and cryptocurrency mining. So let's just discuss briefly what Microsoft, Google, and Amazon are doing that you wouldn't think they are. Tech giant Microsoft will not allow its customers to mine cryptocurrencies on its online services without prior written permission, according to a policy update that came into effect on December 1st. Neither customer nor those that access an online service through a customer may use an online service to mine cryptocurrency without Microsoft's prior written approval, the update said. Very strange. The company didn't have much explanation on the ban. However, an update from Azure, its cloud platform, Microsoft said that the cloud mining is prohibited in all online services as a part of actions required to secure the partner ecosystem. And then this article goes on to say that Google has a very similar process, and so does Amazon and their AWS, their cloud services. I understand if things are being hacked and if they don't have the bandwidth and all of that stuff, because these are the largest tech companies in the world turning their back on digital assets, turning their back on digital cryptocurrency mining. And it is very strange for me to see that the only thing that I can think of is that these guys understand the power of decentralization and the fact that they own the online space right now. It's unnerving to them to see that Bitcoin could be the future, Ethereum could be the future, and that they may be turning into the dinosaurs, and that they will try what they can do to prohibit cryptocurrency, mining, and these digital assets from succeeding. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below, because it looks to me like we have got a long way to go, and it is going to be an uphill battle for the cryptocurrency space. So let me know what you think down there, and of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.